In this module, we will look into wait groups in sync package. Can you predict what will be the output of this program? In the code snippet, we have a main routine and a go routine which run concurrently. Go routine is incrementing the value of the data and main routine is checking if the data is still 0 and printing an output. One of the complexity to manage in concurrency is race condition. The race condition occurs when two or more operations must be executed in the correct order to produce the desired result. But the program has not been written so that that order is guaranteed to be maintained. Most of the time, the race condition is introduced due to developers thinking that the program executes in the order they are coded. In concurrent programs, that is not the case. In this code snippet, there is no guarantee that the go routine will be created and executed before main routine checks the value of the data. Go routines are executed asynchronously from the main routine. The order in which the main routine and the go routine will execute is undeterministic. In this example, there are three possible outcomes. The first outcome can be nothing is printed. If the sequence of execution is go routine gets scheduled before main routine checks the value of the data. So in this case, the value of the data will be 1, so nothing will be printed. The second possible outcome could be it will print value is 0. If go routine does not get executed before main routine checks the value of the data. Main routine checks the value of the data, which will still be 0. So it prints the output as value is 0. The third possible outcome can be it prints the value is 1. If go routine gets scheduled between main routine checking the value of data and printing the value of data. Main routine checks the value of data, which will be 0. So it drops into the if block. But before executing the print statement, go routine gets scheduled and increments the value of the data. And then main routine executes the print statement. Then the output will be value is 1. Can we bring some determinism into our program? Can we make main routine wait for the go routine to execute before checking the value of data? This is where sync wait group comes into play. Go follows logical concurrency model called fork and join. Go statement forks a go routine. When a go routine is done with its job, it joins back to the main routine. If main does not wait for the go routine, then it is very much possible that the program will finish before go routine gets a chance to run. In order to create a join point, we use sync wait group to deterministically block the main routine. We create a variable of type sync wait group. We call the add method to indicate the number of go routines that we are creating. We call done method inside the go routine closure to indicate that the go routine is exiting. Usually it is called with defer to make sure that it gets called on all exit points of the function. Wait method will block the main routine until all the go routines have exited. Wait group is like a concurrent counter. Call to add increases the counter by the integer that is passed in. Call to done will decrement the counter by 1. Call to wait will block until the counter becomes 0. Here you notice that add method is placed outside the go routine closure. Had the call to add was placed inside the go routine closure, then it is very much possible that the call to wait method could execute before the add method. In that case, the main routine could return without blocking. Therefore, we call the add method outside the goRoutine closure to make sure that the add method gets called before wait. We have come to the end of this module. In the next module, we will do some coding exercises.